Jean-Pierre, isn't today incredibly exhausting?
You're right. I can't recall the last time I worked this hard in a single day.
If I didn't enjoy this job, I would have quit a while ago.
So, do you genuinely like your job? I thought you were here just for the money.
I do like it. Of course, more money would be great, but that's how it is.
You're spot on. Speaking of that, I've been considering requesting a pay raise.
Oh, I'd advise against that. Even though I'd appreciate it, it's not the best move.
Why's that? We've been putting in a lot of effort lately. It seems reasonable to ask.
True, but remember, the boss isn't fond of employees asking for raises.
I know that well. Still, I'm tempted to ask. I could use the extra income.
Is everything okay financially? If you need help, I'm here.
Thanks, but I don't have financial troubles. I just want to buy a larger car.
I see. What's wrong with your current car? Don't you like it?
I bought it 2 years ago, and it's too cramped now that I have 2 kids.
Our congratulations on that, by the way. It must be quite a change.
Thanks. I love my life now, but the small car makes family outings tricky.
How about borrowing my van? It's more spacious, and you can use it.
I appreciate the offer, but I'd rather have my own car. Thanks, though.
No problem. I wish I could assist you more, but I'm not in a position to lend money.
That's all right. Your willingness to help means a lot. You're a good friend.
I have an idea. Why not discuss the raise with the boss tomorrow? It might be better.
What's the difference between today and tomorrow, though?
Well, he's a soccer enthusiast and his favorite team is playing today.
I see what you mean. If they win, he'll likely be in a better mood tomorrow.
Exactly. That might increase your chances of getting a positive response.
You're thinking. You're quite smart. I'll hold off until tomorrow.
By the way, do you enjoy soccer? We've never talked about that.
Absolutely, I'm a big fan. In fact, it's why I want a larger car.
How does that relate? Your car and soccer?
My family and I enjoy attending soccer matches on weekends.
So the new car would be perfect for taking your family to games.
Not just matches, we also have various weekend activities that need space.
Indeed, after a week of hard work, weekends are for relaxation.
You're right. What do you usually do on weekends, Sebastian?
Since I don't have kids, I tend to go out and have fun on Saturdays.
Do you ever think about having kids in the future?
It has crossed my mind, but I'm not keen on the idea for now.
I think you'd make a great parent someday. I'd love to see that.
I'm unsure. Time will tell. Do you plan on having more kids?
No, I'm content with my son and daughter. Things are good as they are.
Olivia and Emma, right? They must have grown a lot. How old are they?
Olivia is 10, and Emma is turning 6 in September. We're having a party.
Time flies. It's been a while since I last saw them. I'd love to join the party.
You must come. You're more than welcome. Your presence matters.
I'll be there. What should I get for her? What are her interests?
She enjoys volleyball, so sportswear for that might be a great gift.
All right. Any other suggestions? I'm not great at picking clothes.
She's into video games on her phone too. You could consider giving her one.
A phone? She's a bit young for that, isn't she?
No worries. We supervise our kids well. Phones are monitored.
Even though I'd love to get her a phone, I can't afford it right now.
Agreed. We're contemplating asking for raises, which makes sense.
I wasn't considering that, but it's true. Who wouldn't want extra money?
Absolutely. But let's think of alternative gifts for your daughter.
She's also into movies. Maybe movie tickets would be a nice present.
Really? What genre does she prefer?
Animated movies are her favorite. There's a new one in theaters, but I forgot the name.
I'll find out. Don't worry. Do you think she'd enjoy it?
She'll probably love it. Just remember, if you get her movie tickets, they're for us too.
Of course. She won't be watching alone. She's just 6.
Right? How about joining us for the movie, you and your girlfriend?
Absolutely. Speaking of my girlfriend, she adores kids. She wants a big family.
Impressive. You're both more than invited to the party then.
Thanks a lot. How about this weekend? I'm free.
Sure, I'll ask Olivia if she's up for a movie this weekend. It sounds fun.
Great. By the way, weren't you going to discuss a raise with the boss?
Yes, I'll do it, but I'll wait until tomorrow as you suggested earlier.
Oh, right. I forgot about that. Let's get back to work for now.
Absolutely, or I might end up with only a friend instead of a raise.
I trust you thoroughly enjoyed our conversation, and if you're eager to enhance your English skills and engage in more practice, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with a buddy. Until our next encounter, take care and stay tuned for the next video.